to be about passion twists, how to maintain it, a couple styles, and how you can look good. You know, baddie on the budget type stuff. Because if you know me, then you know I'm kind of cheap. So you're going to need this hair. It's called Lulu Tress, and I use the number 2 because my hair is not that dark. If your hair is darker, you can go with the 1B. If your hair is super black, you can go with the 1. It's called Water Wave. Usually people use free tress, and I'm not sponsored, so you can use whatever type of hair you want to as long as it's water wave and you know it looks curly. Bought 5 bags. As you can see, I didn't use 1 bag because I didn't buy a new bag of hair, so I didn't use one of those bags, and I used 2 per strand on each of my passion twists. I used to achieve this look and you know maintain my passion twist my coconut oil. So you can find this at your local grocery store. You can go to the beauty supply and find you some coconut oil drill jam. First, this doesn't lay down my hair. This is what I use when my hair is in the twist, and if you know me, then you know my hair is curly, like very curly. It pops out of my twist, it pops out of my braids for some reason. So I use this to lay it back down. This is one of my favorite hair products. It's glycerin. So I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but basically it's for smooth and softness. It also gives your hair this type of shine that you know people can't find everywhere. This edge control. So lately people have been asking me, how do you get your hair so slick? Baby, it's because of this right here. This right here, this get your hair slick. When I say slick, I mean slick. I'm talking about, look at that. My edges been laid all day. Well, they not cute right now, so don't judge me, but they been laid all day. Then I use my Eco Styler. I always use the red one. We got the edge brush. I'm gonna need some edge wax. This holds down your hair, okay? If you want to do some type of twisting style, you got hair like mine, it just start getting all bushy. You need to use this on your. Also use my foam at the end to you know keep my hair down good when I'm about to put on my head wrap. Always do the rubber band method. It lasts longer for me. A huge comb, guys. So what I'm finna do is I'm finna take down these 3 right here just to show you how I did. 1 second.
6.5 hours later. 2 days later.
Right, I'm finna get real with y'all because y'all finna see this real hair and I advise not to judge. Snip, snip.
It ain't nothing to cut that bitch off.
Okay, so now you see my real hair. Whoa, inches, baby, inches. Eco right here, and too bad I'm not in the bathroom because then I would have like used some water. I brush it up. I leave out a couple of my edges right there, and then you're gonna put on the rubber band. After you got that done, you're gonna comb out that particular part. You're gonna comb it out, and you're gonna grab your Murray's edge wax, and you're gonna open it up, hold it like this. As y'all can see, I'm almost, well, I'm not almost done. I still got a lot left. Just push it out a little bit, you know, with your fingers. See, you just use a small amount, and you're gonna put it on your actual hair. You're gonna open. This is the half a bag I had left, guys. So you're gonna grab 2 strands of hair. So I'm gonna use these 2 strands. I'm gonna grab 2 strands like this, and then you're just gonna stretch it like that. So that stretched out that 1 strand, and I'm gonna stretch out this one. You're basically stretching it so it looks thicker. So then after you stretch it out, I'm gonna put it like this. And since I want mine to be long, guys, if you want yours to be, just pull one side down longer than the other side. So I did it kind of even, but I'm gonna stretch it a little bit. And then what I'm gonna do is grab my rubber band like so. Grab it right here. I'm gonna wrap that part around right there, and I'm gonna grab the next end of my passion twist and wrap it around. Put the next one, and I'm basically just braiding it into my hair. So 5 times and just braid it in.
So I'm just braiding it into my hair. And making sure that I go all the way down to the end. And then I'm going to grab, so we'll split my real hair once it gets back to the middle into 2 sections. I'm going to grab some more of that murray. I'm going to put it on that side and I'm just going to twist it in. So
You twist, always make sure that you're smoothing with the other hand. So you twist it over like that and you smooth. Twist and smooth, twist and smooth, okay?
adding in more murray, whatever, y'all know what I'm talking about. Basically the edge wax stuff that you use on dreads. Y'all not confused, y'all know what I'm talking about. Well, I don't know, you might not. But anyways, yes, I'm just twisting it. I'm kind of short and I got the camera up in a weird angle, but just know, you're just twisting till you get to the bottom.
So we're almost at the bottom, guys. How much you just twirl your finger around and cut off the ends. And boom, that's your passion twist. I just showed y'all how I get my passion twist done. Your passion twist. So first, this is me putting all the hair I have in my head to the front. Grab the scissors and I'm just gonna go look at the ends of my hair. And do y'all see them? Some of it is just balls, so I'm just gonna cut off those little balls. And after I do that, my coconut oil. You can take as much coconut oil as you want to, because coconut oil is good for you, good for your hair. Okay. And then I'm just gonna smooth it in my hands like so. And I'm gonna go right here through my scalp and around my edges, because you know I don't like my edges to grow. And then I'm gonna go through the twist with the coconut oil. After I get my desired coconut oil into my head, I'm just gonna smooth out any places that I see my real hair poking out of. So right now, I'm gonna say, especially this one. So this one, my real hair is out of. I'm just gonna twist it back in with my gel. Just twist it back in with it. And then there's another one right here. This one. Just move it, twist it back down, and okay.
A few places I'm just gonna rub that gel through the top of my hair. And on this side, see that right there, right here? Just gonna grab my gel, just gonna twist it back right here. Just gonna grab my gel, twist it back right here. Grab and twist it back. So I'm twisting in the same direction in which it's already twisted.
If this Let's Jam is not holding down your hair in these braids, then baby, let me pull out the big guns for you. So you gotta use that murrays, okay? The only bad thing is sometimes this can turn white. If you put too much, it'll turn white. But let me show y'all the difference. So
This is one right here that I do with my Let's Jam. And I'm gonna do the front one with my murray, okay? So just get the desired amount. You put it on your finger, you grab from here, and you just rub it in. So this does turn a weird white, nasty color.
but baby, when I tell you that ain't going nowhere, water will get that right on out your head. Then you're gonna take this. This is your glycerin. It's pure. And you're gonna pour an amount in your hand. Just gonna go over the top part of your hair with it. Ooh, getting my necklace stuck. See, that's what I'm talking about. This is some hair that gets stuck. Next, I'm gonna do my edges. I use water on my edges and then I'll do them. But today, I don't really know how to do edges, y'all. I just be doing anything. So I'm just gonna go like this. I'll put my edge booster on my edges. I'm gonna pull that. For your maintenance, gonna shake up. Shake it up. Anyways, gonna shake up your phone. Pull it out. Put it on there. You feel me? You gotta put it on everything. You gotta just lay your hair with it. After we get the foam all through it, grab your headscarf. This is my favorite one because it's silk and it's from Mexico. Alright, YouTube, so I'm back. It's been about 30 minutes since I put on my head rag and, you know, maintained it for me. So I'm gonna take off my head rag.
For you guys, okay? So,
Take it off. Part. So what I do is I flip that part back. I take a big scrunchie like this and I lift it up ponytail. Now I'm not finna lie to y'all. When you do this, your hair is gonna be so soft, like cotton. And it was feeling like some type of strong, nasty, hard thing.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man.
So this is another one. Oh, your hair to that side.